In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the gradient feature when you're making your own shapes in Krita. The very first thing you need to do is, of course, always remember to add a vector layer. I show this in most of the videos, so please don't forget to use a vector layer when you're making your own graphic. If you're taking a graphic from the internet, that particular picture can be in a bitmap layer. But when you're drawing anything in Krita, you've got to use vector. Okay, let's grab a square from the left hand side with the basic shape tools. Draw that square in. Now I'm going to get the selection tool, select my square. Make sure I've got tool options selected from the tabs up here. And then we can go to the paint bucket tool. And I'm going to click the third square, which allows me to add a gradient. Getting exciting now. Okay, now I can add colors or change colors by selecting one of these tabs, and I can make it really exciting there. So for example, over here you can see it's red and over here it's black. But you may notice, hold on, there's no black over here. That's fine. That's because actually the opacity is 0. If we make it 100%, now we can see the black, right? Okay, if you want to add more colors, we can do that by just clicking anywhere in that bar. I'm actually going to change one of these to green for no reason at all, and I'm going to make this one white for no reason at all. By the way, sometimes you might see that it could appear like this when you open up the color wheel. Just drag this bar to the left hand side so you can see all your colors. Click white. There you go. Got those colors there for no reason at all, or maybe there is. Who knows? Okay. Now, as I've shown you, you can actually control the opacity of different sections of the gradient. But how about if you wanted to control the entire shape's opacity? Really simple. Where it's on layers, you have the opacity bar here, and you can change that as well. And there you go. And that's actually really good for if you want to make things such as windows or water, things that have a level of transparency to them. It's great to use that. Okay, and that's everything you need to know about gradients and opacity in Krita.